Welcome back to the Sardine News.
Hi there on a late afternoon sunset. This is Manny Guerrero reporting from Black Rock, Hole in the Wall. Just had to share this moment with all our viewers to show them what an epic place we live in. Welcome to the heart of the Wild Coast. To all our local viewers and international viewers, please do consider visiting our beautiful coastline. So yes, Sardine News follows. We've had our fair share of rain in the past 24 hours, with a slight southwesterly, pushing the odd thunderstorm past us, accompanied by some strong wind. The sea conditions have not been too bad, although not much fish being caught around, and due to a drop in the sea temperature. Just a reminder to all our Sardine News viewers, please do like and subscribe to our channel to keep the news coming.
Place you want to live, man.
Okay, guys, the fishing has not been all that well at the moment. Went out deep sea fishing the other day. Only caught barbel the whole day. Not delivering much, eh? Hopefully, after the rain is cleared up, we should be able to get some fish in again, eh? Once again, keep loving our ocean, guys, and all the creatures within the fish bowl, eh? That's a wrap from me in the Kai. Back to you, Sean, in the Umzimkulu. Cheers, my buddy.